what do you get when you put potatoes, hamburger, and everything else that you love, onions, pickles, the shebang, and some foil? You throw it in the oven or you throw it over a fire. You get hobo cheeseburgers. So today, let's get cooking. I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious hobo cheeseburger. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Welcome back to Dad and Axel's Simply Cooking, where we keep it affordable, fresh, and simple. Yeah. Here we got hamburger, 1 pound of ground beef. We got bacon. We got some bacon. We got some potatoes, and we got an onion. I got some foil here because we are making hobo cheeseburgers. It's about summertime. It's here. If you're in the South, it's already summertime. The hummingbirds are out. And let me tell you, it's one of those things right now where it is hot.
That is hot out here, man.
Yeah, you know it's hot too.
Yeah, that's why I said it, man. It is hot out here.
You want to barbecue, you want to do things outdoors, you're going to have barbecues, parties, stuff like that. This is a cheap way, a fun way, a creative way to do hobo hamburger cheeseburgers with the kids that they're going to enjoy, have fun, and build that memory. We're going to do ours in the oven today. We're going to preheat it to 350. When we have an oven, it's fine. So let's get started. Our potatoes here, we need to wash them.
Yeah, because they're kind of like all dirty.
So after you wash your potatoes, you want to get them into thin slices, okay? Yeah. That is going to be key.
And we got one potato cut in half. Another potato, 5. We got another potato.
These are thick potatoes.
And we got another potato.
And you don't want these thick because you want them to cook all the way through and not take forever.
Yeah, because you don't want it like big. You only have to eat it little, right? Because you'll choke, right?
Yeah. All right, we got our potatoes. I decided not to use 3 or 4 because 3 looks like it's going to be enough. All right, so I got my oil. I'm going to dump my oil
whatever you want to call it.
On in with my potatoes.
Yeah.
And I want to coat my potatoes on up. Now here I have what they call Myron's Mix and Wild Game Pub. This rub is great.
And I got them.
For a healthy helping on. Axel's gonna pour the Montreal steak seasoning on in. There you go. Alright, it's good.
That's gonna be even spicier. That's gonna be real fast.
Seasoned up and ready to go. Got our hamburger meat.
Yeah, we got
our hamburger meat. We're gonna throw in some Whiskey River barbecue or whiskey burger seasoning. Some pepper. My favorite Flavor Bomb burger seasoning. Some salt. And some Worcestershire sauce. Now, just like with every good burger, smash burger, whatever, we're gonna throw a little bit of mustard on in.
I want to try.
Just a little bit. That's good. All right, so we have our burgers done. Next up, an onion. I also have a thing of bacon here. Aspen, pour the bacon right on in there. Good job. Because with every... Oh, I'll let you do the cheese in a second, okay? So with every good burger, you want bacon. There you go. Perfect. I'm just going to put this on my flat top and let that cook on down. I'm going to assemble, okay? So, we're going to get a piece of foil. I'll let you do the cheese. We're going to spray it. Now, we want to do some potatoes. That should be good. Then we're going to do our burger. I'll do it because you're getting your hands all dirty. Well, see, this way you can do the cheese. You put a little bit of those onions, okay?
I'll say that tomorrow.
No, this is what we're having for dinner.
But why wrapping it up?
Not. All right, so we're gonna get our pan. If you have a campfire, start on the campfire, start on the grill, however you want to do it.
I'll take a microphone. I'll flip it. I'll reel it. Welcome to my video. In your oven.
And say, check your bacon. And don't forget to wash your hands. All right, y'all. So here we have it. We're back after about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. These are ready to come on out. And as you can see, the burger's done. The potatoes are done. I'm, of course, going to grab some of my bacon, sprinkle it right on top. If you have lettuce, you can go ahead and pop some lettuce on in there. Potatoes are fork friendly. A little bit of spicy ranch. Here. You got 4? Well, thank you. There you go. There was one for Mama.
Bacon.
So y'all, this is simple, easy, affordable, budget friendly Something simple and easy to make. Kid friendly. They're gonna love it. Have fun with it, and y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure, if you will, kindly, I would greatly appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoy affordable food, cooking on a budget, cooking as a parent, whatever, we're here for it, for you, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.